Morning, fam. Today, we're dedicating 5 minutes to waking up your spine and firing up your core. Whether you're starting your day, recovering from a tough workout, or looking to feel more mobile and energized, this routine is for you. This is perfect for anyone who feels stiff in their back, wants to improve posture, or craves better balance and strength in their core. If you've been sitting for too long, or just need to get moving, these stretches will bring relief and energy back to your body. All you need is a mat and a small space to stretch. You can do this in your bedroom, living room, or even outside if you're feeling the fresh air. We're starting with cat-cow to awaken your spine, flowing into child's pose to relax and ground you. From there, we'll activate your core with dead bug and strengthen your stability with bird dog on both sides. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel aligned, centered, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Let's hit the mat. Let's kick things off by loosening up your spine. Imagine creating a wave of movement that melts away stiffness and leaves you feeling light and mobile. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button toward your spine for cat pose. This stretch is essential for improving spinal mobility and releasing tension in your back and neck. I promise you, by the end of this, your spine will feel awakened and flexible. If your knees feel uncomfortable, place a cushion or folded towel under them. For a deeper stretch, pause for a few seconds at the peak of each movement. Take one more smooth transition from cat to cow, then settle back into child's pose. Now, let's ground ourselves and find peace in child's pose, a stretch that's all about relaxation and gentle release. Sit back on your heels, knees wide, and stretch your arms forward on the mat. Rest your forehead on the ground and take a deep breath, letting your lower back expand with the inhale and soften with the exhale. This stretches your lower back, hips, and shoulders while calming your mind. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel grounded, relaxed, and ready to flow into the next movement. If it feels too intense, bring your knees closer together. For a deeper stretch, reach your fingertips further forward. Take one more deep inhale here, then slowly come onto your back for our next move. It's time to activate your core and build stability with the dead bug. Think of this as waking up your body's foundation. Lie on your back with your arms reaching toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees above your hips. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your core engaged. Return to the stop position, then switch sides. Alternate for 1 minute, moving slowly and with control. This exercise strengthens your core, improves coordination, and enhances balance. I promise you'll feel your core firing up and your body feeling stable and strong. Keep the movement smaller by lowering your arm and leg halfway if full extension feels too challenging. For more support, place a small pillow under your lower back. For challenge, hold the extended position for a little longer for a few more breaths. After your last rep, roll up onto all fours to set up for bird dog. Now, let's focus on balance and stability with bird dog. Think of this as connecting your mind and body through purposeful movement. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Hold for a moment, then bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Repeat for 30 seconds, then switch your left arm and right leg for the next 30 seconds. This move strengthens your core, improves balance, and stabilizes your spine. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel more centered and steady. Keep both hands on the mat and extend only your legs for a simpler variation. For more of a challenge, pause at the peak of the stretch and focus on your balance. Bring both hands and knees back to the mat, and settle into a kneeling position for a final stretch. Let's finish by opening up your chest and shoulders, creating space for deeper breaths and better posture. Kneel on the mat with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back, or hold a towel if it's more comfortable. Inhale as you lift your chest and gently pull your arms back, feeling the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. The stretch relieves tension in the shoulders, opens up your chest, and helps counteract the effects of sitting. I promise you'll feel taller, more open, and ready to take on the day. If clasping your hands isn't comfortable, simply place your hands on your lower back and lift your chest gently. Release your arms, roll your shoulders back, and take a deep breath in to close out our session. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've awakened your spine, activated your core, and set your body for a day full of strength and flexibility. Before you leave, just remember that you've already won the day just by showing up. Whenever you see that notification bell go off, just press play. And that can only happen if you subscribe to the channel. So you know what to do. And invite your friends to join the journey, because accountability just makes everything more fun. Merry Christmas. Don't forget to grab your free gift in the description. Stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.